Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing Git tags and how they can be used to mark specific points in your Git repository. Git tags are useful for labeling important versions, releases, or milestones in your project. So let's dive in and learn more about Git tags and how to use them effectively. Git tags provide a way to create a permanent reference to a specific point in your Git repository. Unlike branches which can move and change, tags are static and typically used to mark significant points in your project's history. Let's explore how to work with Git tags step by step. So, to create a Git tag, you have two options: lightweight tags and annotated tags. To create a lightweight tag, simply run the command git tag and the tag name that you want. So we have a first commit, and now we have finished our code. So let's add it as well. So we have completed the first version of a code. So we can use git tag to make a reference to a specific point in our commit. So first we'll try with lightweight tag. So the command is very simple: git tag and your tag name. So usually it will be like version, the major version, and then dot the minor version. So let's do a git log. You see here the tag is already added. So once you have created the tags in the Git repository, you can view them using the following command: git tag. This will display a list of tags in your repository. And to view the information about a specific tag, you can run the command git show and then your tag name. Here we have version 1.0. You see here, right? So this is the tag, and we have a commit which says first version is complete, and this is a commit ID. So we are able to see everything. Now let's see the second option, which is annotated tags. So for that, we'll make another commit. So I'll add and then git command -m annotated tags. So now I'm going to tag this one with annotation. The command for that is git tag, and then you have to use -a for annotated tags, and this one I'm going to give it a version 2.0, and then I'm going to give a message as well: version 2 is complete. So again, I'm going to use the command git tag to list the number of tags. So I have two tags. The version 2.1, we have created it as an annotated tag. So let's see what is the difference between the two. So git tag, it's version 2.0. So we have to use git show version 2.0. So if you compare this with the previous one, we have a tagger name. So it has been tagged by me. It has been tagged at this specific date, and it's showing a message as well. So this is the difference between the annotated tags and the normal tags. If you see, the normal one does not have any tagger information or any tagger message and everything. So now let's discuss about pushing these tags to the remote repository. So I'm just creating a new repository in GitHub for it, and I'm going to configure it. So what I would do, I could just add this one, git remote add origin. If you see here, we have all the code that is pasted here, but do we have any tags? No, there is no tags. So now let's try to push the tags from our local repository to the remote repository. because by default, Git does not automatically push the tags to the remote repositories. If you want to share your tags with others or make them available on a remote server like GitHub, you need to explicitly push the tags. To push tags to a remote repository, use the command git push and then the remote repository origin that you have configured and then -- tags. This will push all the tags to the origin remote repository. So let's try that. Git push origin -- tags. So now let's again refresh our GitHub page. We are able to see the tag information. So now we have pushed the tags to a remote repository. How do we delete the tags? So git tag -d, the tag name version 2.0. So we've deleted the tags, but has it been deleted here? No, it's still available. So what we have to do, we have to delete it from the remote repository as well. So to delete that, the command is git push, remote name is origin, and then -- delete, and then the tag name version 2.0. Now let's come and refresh this page. The tag is gone. Please note that deleting a tag removes reference to a specific commit but does not delete the commit itself. Only the tags will be removed. Git tags provide a convenient way to mark important versions and milestones in your Git repository's history. By creating lightweight or annotated tags, you can easily reference specific points and share them with others. Remember to push your tags to remote repositories if you want them to be accessible by others. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thank you for watching.